Intro. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's reshaping the world of technology and data science, building an end-to-end AI workflow. In this video, we'll explore how to automate data ingestion, model training, and deployment using continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up an efficient AI workflow that streamlines processes and boosts productivity. So, let's get started. What is an AI workflow? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of workflows, let's define what we mean by an AI workflow. An AI workflow is a systematic approach to developing, training, and deploying machine learning models. It encompasses various stages, such as data collection, data preprocessing, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each of these stages can benefit from automation, which is where CI/CD pipelines come into play. Why automate AI workflows? Automation can significantly enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and accelerate the time it takes to bring AI solutions to market. By automating repetitive tasks and standardizing procedures, teams can focus more on the creative and analytical aspects of AI development. Moreover, automation can lead to more reliable models, as it ensures that the same procedures are applied consistently across different projects and teams. The components of an end-to-end AI workflow. To build a robust AI workflow, we need to consider several key components: data ingestion, data preprocessing, model training, model evaluation, deployment, and monitoring. In a traditional setup, these components are often manual and disconnected, but with CI/CD pipelines, we can seamlessly integrate them for a smoother process. Data ingestion. First up is data ingestion, which is the process of collecting and importing data from various sources into your system. This data can come from databases, APIs, or even streaming services. Automating this step is crucial because the quality and consistency of your data directly impact the performance of your AI models. To automate data ingestion, consider using tools like Apache Kafka or Amazon Kinesis for real-time data streaming, and Apache NiFi or Airflow for batch data processing. These tools can help you create workflows that pull data from various sources, transform it into a usable format, and load it into a data warehouse or data lake for further processing. Data preprocessing. Once you have ingested your data, the next step is data preprocessing. This involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, normalizing or scaling features, and encoding categorical variables. Automating data preprocessing is essential to ensure that your data is always ready for model training. You can use Python libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn to streamline your preprocessing tasks. Additionally, tools like Dask can help you manage larger datasets that don't fit into memory and automate feature engineering processes. By setting up these preprocessing scripts to run automatically whenever new data is ingested, you can maintain a consistent and reliable data pipeline. Model training. Now that our data is ready, we can move on to model training. This stage involves selecting the right algorithms, tuning hyperparameters, and training models using historical data. Automation in model training can drastically reduce the time it takes to develop and iterate on models. One approach is to use frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, which provide automated ways to build and train models. Additionally, you can implement AutoML solutions, such as Google AutoML or H2O.ai, which can automatically search for the best model and hyperparameters based on your dataset. Moreover, implementing version control for your models is essential. Tools like DVC, Data Version Control, can help you keep track of changes in your data and models, ensuring reproducibility in your experiments. Model evaluation. After training your models, it's crucial to evaluate their performance. This involves testing your models on unseen data and assessing metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Automating this evaluation process allows you to quickly identify which models are performing well and which need improvement. Using libraries such as scikit-learn, you can set up automated scripts that run evaluations and generate reports based on your chosen metrics. These scripts can be integrated into your CI/CD pipeline, allowing you to receive immediate feedback on your model's performance with each update. Deployment. Now comes the exciting part: deployment. Once you have a well-performing model, the next step is to deploy it to a production environment where it can generate predictions. Automated deployment ensures that your models can be quickly and reliably put into service. There are numerous options for deploying AI models, including cloud services like AWS SageMaker, Azure Machine Learning, and Google AI Platform. These platforms provide easy-to-use tools for deploying models as REST APIs, making it simple for other applications to access predictions. Setting up CI/CD pipelines for deployment involves automating the entire process, from code commit to production. Tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions can help you create workflows that automatically test, build, and deploy your models whenever changes are made. This way, you can ensure that your production environment is always up to date with the latest and most accurate models. Monitoring and maintenance. Even after deployment, the work doesn't stop. It's crucial to continuously monitor the performance of your models in production. Model drift, where the model's performance degrades over time due to changes in the underlying data distribution, is a common challenge in AI applications. Automating monitoring can help you catch these issues early. Tools like Prometheus or Grafana can be integrated into your workflow to track model performance metrics in real time. Additionally, you can set up alerts that notify your team when performance dips below a certain threshold, allowing you to take corrective action swiftly. Furthermore, establishing a feedback loop is essential. By collecting new data and user feedback, you can continuously refine and retrain your models, ensuring that they remain effective over time. This can be automated through scheduled retraining processes in your CI/CD pipeline, keeping your models fresh and accurate. CI/CD for AI workflows. Now that we've covered the various components of an end-to-end AI workflow, let's focus on how to effectively implement CI/CD for these processes. The key is to create a streamlined pipeline that integrates all the stages we discussed. 1. Version control. Start by using version control systems like Git for tracking changes in your code, data, and models. This ensures that you can revert to previous versions if necessary. 2. Automated testing. Implement tests for your code and models. This can include unit tests for your pre-processing scripts, integration tests for data pipelines, and performance tests for your models. 3. Continuous integration. Set up a CI server, such as Jenkins or GitHub Actions, that automatically runs tests whenever code is pushed to the repository. If any tests fail, the CI server can flag issues and prevent broken code from being deployed. 4. Continuous deployment. Once your models pass all tests, automate the deployment process. This can include building container images using Docker, pushing them to a container registry, and deploying them to your production environment. 5. Monitoring and logging. Integrate monitoring tools into your pipeline to keep track of model performance and application health. Logging data can help you troubleshoot any issues that arise post-deployment. Conclusion. Building an end-to-end AI workflow is a complex but rewarding endeavor. By automating data ingestion, model training, and deployment with CI/CD pipelines, you can streamline processes, reduce errors, and accelerate the time it takes to deliver AI solutions to your users. Remember, automation is not just about saving time, it's about creating a robust and reliable system that allows your team to focus on what truly matters: innovation and creativity in AI development. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on AI, data science, and technology. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with building AI workflows and any tips you have for automation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.